Hi guys, today we are going to plant lettuce in milk cartons. And here I've already started, I've got part of it done. I am going to plant this one and this, and I've labeled it up top there. And I've already put some holes in the bottom. Obviously I've already cut it out. I've got some leaves and some bark, which will make some nice hugelkultur in here. So when I'm done with this one, I'm going to come back and finish this up. I've already put the dirt in this one. I've already got about 4 lettuce seeds in here. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this seed starter. And I'm just going to put that on top in the middle. Pat it just a little bit. And remember, the smaller the seeds, the less soil that you need on top of it. And it'll tell you your depth, which is only about 1/4 inch deep. And that's about right. Then you can place it anywhere outside. And if you put it here on these rocks, like so, it will keep that off of the ground for you, and it will allow for that drainage to come through. So I'm going to water this. I'm going to place it outside on my rocks, and I am going to let it grow. Very easy. A lot of things you can put in here besides lettuce. Cilantro, green onions, peppers, anything kind of compact and low to the ground would be a really good fit for this. So I encourage you to try gardening for yourself. Probably already have a milk carton. You could actually use your own compost. You don't need to have the soil, but just get started. Thank you so much and have a great day. Please like and subscribe.